Abdali Grammar School. Discover English 2. Lesson. Please and thank you. Chapter number 10. Lecture number 15. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Look at there. The Please and Thank You book of poems. What is the name of the lesson? The Please and Thank You book of poems. As you are showing on the slide, look at there. Poem number 1. Words. Synonyms. Put, rakhna, place, set. Always, hamesha, every time, consistently. Ask, पूछना, query, question. Careful, एहतियात से, aware, conscious. Invite, दावत देना, bid, ask. Now going to the next slide. Look at there. We have to start our poem number 1 from unit number 10. The name of the poem is Welcome Ricky Raccoon. When Ricky Raccoon comes over to play, he helps put all of the toys away. He asks his friend what he did like to do and is always careful with scissors and glue. Now, the question is, with what things Ricky is careful? The answer is, Ricky is always careful with scissors and glue, as you are showing in this picture. He washes before he comes to the table. He washes before he comes to the table and helps his host whenever he is able. That's why almost every day someone invites Ricky ever to play. Now I have a question. What does Ricky do before he comes to the table? He washes before he comes to the table. What is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is we should help friends and get along with them. Now look at there. Poem number 2. Words. Synonyms. Rude, gusila, ill-mannered, impolite. Grab, छीनना, grasp. Repeat it again with me. The word is grasp. The other synonym of grab is snatch. Anxious, घबरा जाना, worried, fearful. Upset, परेशान करना, disturb, trouble. Look at there. Look at the picture. We have to start our next poem. The name of the poem is Don't be grabby gorilla. Repeat it again. Don't be grabby gorilla. Gorillas are rude. They grab their food. They never say, please pass the peach. They are so anxious. They just reach. What is the name of the poem? Don't be grabby gorilla. Hows are gorillas? Gorillas are rude. As you are showing in this picture, they upset others by all they do, and sometimes they upset the table too. Gorillas are in-mannered and impolite. Now, the question is, what is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is, it's good to be polite when we eat. Now look at there. Point number 3. Words, synonyms. Knock, दस्तखत देना. Beat, tap. Behind, पीछे. After, beyond. Might, शायद. Vigor, stamina. Wrapping, बंद करना. Enclose, cover. Going to the next slide. Look at the picture. We have to start our other poem. The name of our next poem is The Ox Always Knocks. The ox always knocks before opening a door because someone behind it might be sleeping. Now here I have a question. What does a fox do? The ox always knocks before opening a door. They are very mannered. What is the name of the poem? The ox always knocks. Going to the next slide. Or wrapping a present, or sad, or weeping. Then he always asks, may I come in? And everyone says, how thoughtful of him. Now, the question is, what is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is, we should think about other people before we do something. Look at there. Poem number 4. Words, synonyms. Thoughtful, शुक्रगुजार होना. Helpful, friendly. Share, तकसीम करना. Part, division. Joke, मजाक. Gift, grab. Think, सोचना. believe, imagine. Funny, मज़ाक़िया, humorous, comic. Look at there. We have to start our other poem. The name of our poem is Bears Always Share. Bears share their toys. Bears share their honey. Bears share a joke they think is funny. What is the name of the poem? Bears Always Share. What does bears share? Bears share their toys. Bears share their honey. Bears share a joke too. Going to the next slide. Whatever they do, whatever they wear, they always share it. Another bear. Yes. Now the question is, what is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is, it's good to share our things with friends. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Abdali Grammar School Official, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.